Hi, my name is Lisa Petersen, and I just wanted to send a little video review for Capell Flooring. They are amazing, and I was so impressed with this company. We recently, this past spring, we did a remodel project on our house and used them to refinish our hardwood. And their installers made a little bit of a mistake, and when they cut back the carpet in our living room area, they cut it a little too short, and so we were kind of left with a dilemma. Between the carpet and the hardwood, there was a little gap. And so we contacted Capell Flooring, and we were expecting kind of a fight just because, with our history of dealing with other companies, sometimes when you need to get something done, it ends up causing, you have to fight for what you want. And so they came over to look at it, and without even questioning anything, they walked in, took one look at it, and then just started measuring out the carpet in our living room. And they said, yeah, that's definitely, a mistake on our installer's part, and we will definitely take care of you. And they just replaced the whole carpet in our living room so that it would match up with the hardwood. So we were just so pleased with them and with the efforts that they made, and just with their honesty, integrity, and not only that, but with the job that they did. Our hardwood turned out absolutely gorgeous. The carpet they installed was high quality, was what we wanted, and I just wanted to recommend them out there to anybody who is looking for any of their flooring needs. These guys are awesome. Like I said, they just did a fabulous job and worked with us so well. And I just feel like it's really important to stress how honest they were and just how they took care of us, because I know that's important in business. This time of, you can't always find that everywhere. So anyway, I just wanted to give them a shout out to Capell Flooring, and I've been telling everybody I know about them because they are just super awesome. I will show my hardwood here. If you can see that, this is the area that was cut a little bit too short. But this is what our hardwood turned out to be. It used to be this color of our banister here, that kind of orangish color, and now it's this gorgeous color, and the carpet looks beautiful as well. So anyway, hopefully you could see that, but I just wanted to show what it turned out like. So anyway, thank you so much. Use Capell Flooring. They're the best. Bye.